Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to create PayPal account. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. Today we have a helpful tutorial for you on how to create a PayPal account the easy and secure way. So whether you want to shop online, send money to friends, or run an online business, PayPal is a fantastic tool. So first, let's quickly go over what PayPal is. So PayPal is an online payment platform that allows you to send and receive money securely over the internet. So this is actually widely accepted by online stores and is a convenient way to manage your finances online. So for you to be able to get redirected onto this page or onto this website, you'll just need to head onto paypal.com or search that onto your local browser. So here in PayPal, you can actually sign up for free, link your cards, and choose PayPal at checkout. There are several reasons why people use PayPal, and this is why we're guiding you through the process of creating your PayPal account in simple terms. So first and foremost, PayPal is renowned for its secure online payment system, providing peace of mind by safeguarding your financial information during online transaction. It is also convenient for another major draw, as you can easily link your PayPal account to your bank account or credit card, streamlining the checkout process for various online purchases. And moreover, PayPal's wide acceptance across numerous online retailers and businesses makes it a versatile payment method for a multitude of goods and services. And additionally, PayPal simplifies the process of sending money to friends and families, enabling you to settle bills, reimburse others, or send thoughtful gifts with ease. So for entrepreneurs and online businesses, PayPal serves as a valuable tool, offering invoices, services, and efficient payment processes to help manage finances effectively. So these are the key reasons why people opt for PayPal, making it a popular and trusted choice in the world of online payment. So as you can see here are actually the different international stores or just some examples where you can shop with PayPal. So we have your iHerb, Joma Shop, Agoda, Asus, Facebook, Skype, Steam, Thai, eBay. So you have all of this. And also, if you are actually looking for the business solution wherein you could get paid easily and more securely onto your business or online store, you could just simply click onto Explore Business Solutions in here. Now let's get started onto signing up with PayPal, and then you'll get redirected here onto the sign up page. So as you can see, you could join PayPal today for free, and you could get started by choosing an account type. So there are actually two account types. We have our personal account and business account. So we have already mentioned the business account earlier. So this can send and receive payments under a business name, 24/7 online fraud monitoring and seller protection, and no setup, monthly, or hidden fees. So here, since we're going to choose a personal account, you could shop online from millions of global sellers, send and receive payments globally, shop with confidence with buyer protection. Once you have chosen, just simply click onto that and click onto next. Then you'd be able to choose if your personal account is for an online shopper, individual seller, or freelancer, both of the above, or if you're still not yet sure, just simply click onto that and click onto next. Then right after, it should redirect you onto this page wherein it gives you an option to type in your email. Or just simply type in the email that you want to use and just simply click onto next. Then right after, go through over the security challenge wherein it will ask you if you're a human or not, just a captcha challenge in here, and then just follow in or answer the prompts, then to proceed. Then right after, it will ask you to add in your phone number. So by continuing, you confirm that you're authorized to use this phone number and agree to receive text messages, so carrier fees may apply. And it should send a code onto the phone number that you have provided. You'll just need to input in here the code that you have received so that you should be able to proceed, or you could just send code again. Now right after that, it should ask you to create a password. Now, here are some tips for creating a secure password. So, you need to make sure that you remember all of the following, since a strong password should have the following characteristic. So, it should be more than 8 characters long. You should use lowercase, uppercase, a number, and a special characters like this one in here. And it should not be a word or date associated with you, like a pet's name, family name, or birth dates, and a combination of words with unusual capitalization, numbers, and special characters interspersed. So misspelled words are stronger because they're not in the dictionary used by attackers, and also this should be something that you can remember. Now, here are some recommendation on how often you should change your password. So there are a few cases where it's a good precaution. For example, you notice something suspicious on your PayPal account, you suspect that someone you don't trust has your password, you notice something suspicious in your email account or other online accounts, and you have recently removed malware from your system, and people ask you to change your password. And if one of these occurs, change your password, PIN, and security questions immediately. You can change this under your personal settings. Right after creating your password, you shall need to provide some additional information such as your address, phone number, and date of birth. PayPal requires this information to verify your identity and enhance your account security. Now, carefully read PayPal's user agreement and privacy policy, and once you've reviewed them, click Agree and Create Account, and then you should be able to have your account already created. Now, right after agreeing to the terms and condition, it's time to link in your payment method to your PayPal account. So you can choose to link your bank account or a credit card or debit card. So for you to be able to do that, you should be able to. So in doing that, you should use your bank account or cards to spend or send cash almost anywhere. So you could shop with any major credit or debit card to earn points, miles, and other rewards. So for you to be able to do that, you'll just need to simply click on to link a bank account or add cards. So just choose your preferred option. So actually, right after that, the next thing that you'll need to do is just follow the prompts wherein you should enter your banking information. So you'll need to add in your account name, account number, or anything related to that. And then here are actually some of the major international cards that PayPal integrated with. So your card must have a verification number or security code to be used with PayPal. So you have your Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, UCB, Donors Club International, Maestro, GiroPay, and this one as well. So once you've linked your payment method, you'll never enter your account numbers again, and you'll pay with just your email and password. You're okay to secure and simple payments. So if you're also currently earning points or miles towards your credit card, you'll continue to earn those points when you use that card with PayPal. Plus, you enjoy your other built in benefits like buyer protection. Now, right after that, you should actually receive some confirmation email as well to the email address that you've provided. So you should check your inbox, open the email, click on the verification link to confirm your email or your phone number as well. So PayPal will also send a verification code to the number that you provided. So you'll just need to enter the code when prompted to confirm your phone number. And that's it. You've successfully created your PayPal account, and it's that easy. And in conclusion, PayPal is not just easy, but also incredibly useful. With a secure and convenient payment system, it offers a hassle-free way to shop online, send money to loved ones, or manage transactions for your online business. So the fact that millions of people worldwide are already using PayPal underscores its reliability and popularity. So by creating your own PayPal account, you're joining a vast community of users who trust this platform for their online financial needs. So don't miss out on the convenience and peace of mind that PayPal brings to the table. Start enjoying the benefits today by signing up for your own account. And if you think this tutorial was helpful to you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorial. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment it down below. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, we'll see you on to our next video.